Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Honor 9X, Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X device. So in this video, I'll be playing the same 4K video in all the three devices. So let's check the quality between all the three phones, guys. So check the links in the description, guys, for the playlist which contain full videos of the Honor 9X and Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X device. So where you can get all the videos combining in the one playlist. So in this video, the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X as a Super AMOLED panels. So whereas the Honor 9X as a LTPS LCD panel, guys. So there's a difference between all these three phones. So now let me get through the basic specifications about the display in all the three phones, guys. So Realme X, Redmi K20 Pro and the Honor 9X. So here you can see in the Honor 9X. So this is a display panel the Honor is using in the 9X model. As you can see, LTPS and IPS LCD panel. And 6.59 inches. And in the Redmi K20 Pro, as you can see, a Super AMOLED display and 6.39 inches, and which has HDR10 certified, as you can see here. So which is not present in both the phones, Honor 9X and the Realme X device. So in the Realme X, you can see here AMOLED display and 6.5 inches. So whereas the Realme X comes with the Super AMOLED display, but it's not mentioned in the GSM anywhere. So now I'll be playing the same video, 4K video in all the three phones. So we'll get to know how is the saturation colors and the contrast ratio. So before that, let me show you what settings I'm using in the display of three devices. So first let me show you the Realme X device. So what settings I'm using in the display. As you can see in the display, I'll be using the cooler colors, not the default cooler tone, as you can see here. So there is no other options available in the Realme X device to increase the saturation colors. So whereas in the Redmi K20 Pro, so I set to the increased contrast option, as you can see here, not the automatic one, increased one. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, you can also increase the video enhancement mode in the Redmi K20 Pro device, guys. So I done a video on that. If you want, check the links in the description for that. So as you can see here, for the MX player, so I'm setting into the extreme settings. So there is a huge difference between the normal default one and the extreme one, as you can see here. So I'll be using the extreme settings first, MX player in the Redmi K20 Pro. So if you want to know how to do that, check the links in the description for the Redmi K20 Pro phone. So now let me get back to the Honor 9X device. So let me show you the color temperatures. So I set to the vivid mode, so which has little bit high saturated colors, as you can see. And I set the resolution to the max, high 1080p resolution. So overall, in all the three phones, I'll be setting to the 100% brightness, not the auto brightness mode, as you can see here. So I turned off the auto brightness mode in all the three phones. So now I'll be playing the same video in all the three phones. So I got all the three devices ready. So on the top, I got the Realme X device. So in the middle, I got the Redmi K20 Pro, and the bottom is the Honor 9X phone. So I loaded the same 4K video in all the three devices. So now let me try to play the same time. So let me increase the brightness in all the three devices. So as you can see, guys, I increased the brightness in all the three phones. So when compared with all the three phones, I feel the Redmi K20 Pro has got high saturated colors. You can see clearly here. So here you can see, guys, the Redmi K20 Pro has got a little bit high saturated colors when compared with the Realme X and the Honor 9X. So the second position goes to the Honor 9X device. As you can see, the colors are a little bit high saturated than the Realme X device. So even though the Honor 9X is not using the AMOLED panel, still I feel the colors are saturated in the Honor 9X phone. So as you can see closely, the first is a Redmi K20 Pro, second goes to the Honor 9X, and third goes to the Realme X device. Even I underestimated the Honor 9X display quality, LTPS and IPS LCD panel in the Honor 9X. but it's not too bad when compared with the Realme X device. So right now I'm using the with full brightness, as you can see. So I turned off the night mode in all the three devices, so which won't affect the quality of the image. So now let me try to decrease the extreme settings in the Redmi K20 Pro, and I'll be trying to play the same video again without using the extreme settings. As you can see here, so I set to the lowest settings in the Redmi K20 Pro device right now. So because if I use the extreme settings, it's very much high saturated than the expected. So if you want to use, you can use the moderate, not the extreme. So now let me compare the video again between the three devices. So as you can see here, so after decreasing the extreme settings to the original settings in the Redmi K20 Pro, the colors are a little bit less saturated than before. But overall, in terms of the brightness, I feel the Redmi K20 Pro is a clear winner in terms of the image quality. So even I did a comparison video between the OnePlus 7 Pro as well, which has got a little bit high display settings than the Redmi K20 Pro. Don't forget to check the links in the description, guys, for the video comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro. And also do check the playlist which contain full videos of the Honor 9X and the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro device. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, guys, for more interesting videos in the future. See you in the next video. Bye.